The real importance of grades in commerce is that the price of lumber is established in large measure with respect to grade. Other factors enter into the equation, such as species, availability, degree of dryness, distance from the customer, special sizes, etc. But for the most part, the higher the grade, the higher the price. With some exceptions, hardwood lumber is graded on the basis of the size and number of cuttings or pieces, which can be obtained from a board when it is cut up and used in the manufacture of a hardwood product, such as furniture, flooring, or interior house trim. Common usage dictates that the cuttings usually be clear wood, so that undesirable defects such as splits, rot, bark pockets, and other such defects do not appear in the finished product. Generally speaking, the higher the grade, the larger area of clear material contained in an individual board. When cut up for furniture parts, the upper grades will yield a larger proportion of the board and a few large-sized clear cuttings. Lower grades will yield a smaller proportion of the board and a greater number of small-sized cuttings. The grading system established by the National Hardwood Lumber Association for hardwood lumber is referred to as the cutting unit method. Two important terms you must understand to fully grasp how the cutting unit system works are clear face cutting and clear face cutting units. A clear face cutting is a measurement of clear, defect-free wood on the board. All the grades have a minimum percentage of clear wood required, and an inspector will break the board down into these clear areas to determine grade. The size of a clear cutting is measured in cutting units. A cutting unit is 1 inch wide by 1 foot long. To determine the amount of units in a clear face cutting, the inspector multiplies the width of the cutting in inches by the length of the cutting in feet. Under the cutting unit method, the total amount of clear cutting units measured determines the grade